Rheem Hybrid Water Heater Troubleshooting. Expert tips for Rheem Hybrid Water Heater Troubleshooting. Check error codes and reset the unit. Ensure proper power supply and inspect the filter. A Rheem Hybrid Water Heater is an efficient appliance combining electric and heat pump technologies. Regular maintenance and prompt troubleshooting can ensure optimal performance. Common issues include error codes, power supply problems, and dirty filters. Addressing these concerns promptly can prevent more serious malfunctions. Understanding the basics of troubleshooting helps homeowners maintain the unit's efficiency and extend its lifespan. Always refer to the user manual for specific guidance on resolving issues. Regular inspection and cleaning can also help in avoiding frequent breakdowns. This proactive approach ensures consistent hot water supply and energy savings. Rheem Hybrid Water Heater Common Issues. Rheem hybrid water heaters are known for efficiency and reliability, but like any appliance, they can face issues. Understanding common problems helps in quick troubleshooting. Below are some frequent issues with Rheem hybrid water heaters. 1. No hot water. 2. Inconsistent temperature. Rheem hybrid water heater error codes. The Rheem hybrid water heater comes with an advanced error code system. These codes help users diagnose and fix problems quickly. Understanding these codes is crucial for maintaining your water heater. 1. Understanding codes. Rheem hybrid water heater maintenance tips. The Rheem hybrid water heater is an efficient and reliable appliance. Proper maintenance ensures its longevity and optimal performance. Here are some crucial maintenance tips to keep your Rheem hybrid water heater running smoothly. 1. Regular cleaning. 2. Filter replacement. Our Rheem hybrid water heater electrical problems. Electrical problems can cause your Rheem hybrid water heater to malfunction. Addressing these issues quickly can save you from costly repairs. This section covers common electrical problems. 1. Circuit breaker issues. 2. Power supply check. Rheem hybrid water heater water leaks. Water leaks can cause significant damage to your Rheem hybrid water heater. Identifying and fixing these leaks promptly is crucial. This section will guide you through troubleshooting and resolving water leaks. 1. Identifying leaks. 2. Fixing common leaks. Rheem hybrid water heater heat pump issues. The Rheem hybrid water heater is a popular choice for energy-efficient water heating. Despite its benefits, you may encounter some heat pump issues. Let's explore common problems and solutions. 1. Pump not running. 2. Low efficiency. Rheem hybrid water heater temperature settings. Understanding the temperature settings on your Rheem hybrid water heater is essential. Proper settings ensure optimal performance and energy efficiency. Let's dive into the details. 1. Optimal settings. 2. Adjusting settings. Rheem hybrid water heater professional help. Sometimes troubleshooting your Rheem hybrid water heater can be complex. You might need professional help. This section covers when to call a professional and how to choose the right technician. 1. When to call a professional. 2. Choosing a technician. Frequently asked questions about Rheem hybrid water heater. Why is my Rheem hybrid water heater not heating? Check for tripped circuit breakers or blown fuses. Ensure the thermostat settings are correct. How do I reset my Rheem hybrid water heater? Press the reset button on the unit's control panel. Wait for the system to reboot. What causes a Rheem hybrid water heater to leak? Leaks often result from a faulty valve, loose connections, or a cracked tank. Inspect and tighten all connections. How often should I maintain my Rheem hybrid water heater? Perform annual maintenance. Clean filters and check for any issues to ensure optimal performance. Why is my Rheem hybrid water heater noisy? Noises typically come from sediment buildup or loose components. Flush the tank and tighten any loose parts. Conclusion. Proper maintenance of your Rheem hybrid water heater ensures optimal performance. Address issues promptly to prolong its lifespan. Regularly check components and follow troubleshooting steps. This can save you time and money. Stay proactive with maintenance to enjoy consistent hot water.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit hellotroubleshooting.com.